Hello, this is Mesos Orum, and welcome to SFML Tutorials. Today, we will be making a new game. First off, we're going to put our width and height in one variable. So we're going to go over here. We're going to say SF, vector2f, window size. Then we're going to go back. Then we're going to say window size dot x equals 640.0f, and window size dot y equals 360.0f. Then we're going to delete the width and height in both sides. Now we're going to copy this, and we're going to say SF vector2u, put that in parentheses, copy this, and put it right there. Now I'm going to put our individual games in their own folders. So I'm going to say add new folder, call this game live folder, put that in there. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. Add new folder, say game of life folder, and then put that in there. This will allow us to be a little more organized with how we do things. We're also going to make a new folder for our new game. And say that, say SpaceRocks folder, and the same thing down here. SpaceRocks folder. Now we're going to make a new class inside of that. We're going to say add new item, say SpaceRocks.c++, and we're going to do the same thing up here. Say add new item, say SpaceRocks.h. In the C++ file, we're going to say sharp include SpaceRocks.h. Then we're going to go back to the .h file, save everything. Now here we're going to say sharp include times.h, as well as sharp include texts.h. Next we'll say class SpaceRocks, then we'll say private and public. Up here we will say float delta time. We will call our times class times, as well as our texts class. We'll say texts score texts. We will need to keep track of our score, so we'll say standard uint 16t score. Then we will initialize our score text. We will say void init score text SF vector2f window size. We will make our constructor. We will say SpaceRocks SF vector2f window size, as well as our deconstructor. We'll say tilde and SpaceRocks. We will need to update and render, so we'll say void update SF vector2f window size. And lastly, we'll render void render SF render window and window. Now we will quickly define these and clean this up a bit. Back in the .h file, we forgot to put a star right here. Go back. In our constructor, we will say delta time equals 0.0f, as well as init score text with window size. We will also delete our score text. In init score text, we will say score text equals new texts with the initial string of score and the address of fonts / Arial.ttf. We will set our character size. We'll say score text set character size, and that will be window size.x divided by 32.0f. Sorry, forgot to put a space here. Go down here. We will say score text dot set origin, and we'll say score text dot get local bounds dot size, and divide that by 2.0f. Next, we will set the position. We will say score text dot set position, and we will say window size x divided by 10.0f, and window size y divided by 25.0f. In update, we will say times dot next delta time, and dt equals times dot get delta time. To update our text, we will say score text, stream text with score, as well as score. Lastly, in render, we will say window dot draw and star score text. In our game.h file, we will say sharp include SpaceRocks.h. Down here, we will say SpaceRocks star SpaceRocks. Then we will say void init SpaceRocks. We will define this, and here we will say SpaceRocks equals new SpaceRocks with window size. Scrolling down a bit, we will say SpaceRocks dot update with window size. Down here, we will say SpaceRocks dot render with star window. We will also initialize SpaceRocks and delete our SpaceRocks. And we will save everything. Opening up the debug menu, we see that we finally have a score. Thank you for joining me today. If you did, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.